In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create variation listings on eBay step by step. Whether you're selling clothing, electronics, or home goods, creating variation listings can help you streamline and enhance the shopping experience for your customers by showcasing different options under a single product listing. This means your buyers can easily select the variations they need, like different sizes, colors, or features, without having to navigate away from your listing and search again. To get started, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to eBay by typing eBay in the search bar. Hit enter and then click on the first result that appears. Once you're on eBay's homepage, locate the sign-in option at the upper left corner of the page and click on it. You'll need to log into your account to access the selling features. So enter your username and password and click the login button. Now that you're on the homepage, look towards the top of the page for the My eBay section. There's a small arrow next to it. Click on this arrow, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Selling. This will bring you to the main selling page where you can manage everything related to your sales and listings. On this selling page, you'll see an option that says List an Item. Click on this button to begin listing your new item. A search bar will appear, prompting you to enter the name or keywords for the item you want to list. Once you've entered this information, click on the search icon to see if there's a match within eBay's database. If no suitable match appears, or if you prefer to enter your own details, click Continue Without Match to proceed. Next, eBay will ask you to specify the condition of your item. Carefully select the appropriate option that best represents the state of your product, whether it's new, used, or refurbished. After selecting the item's condition, click Continue to Listing. Now comes the exciting part where you make your listing stand out. You can upload photos and even videos to give potential buyers a clear view of what you're offering. The more detailed and appealing your visuals, the better the chance of attracting interest. Scroll down a little further and you'll come across the variation section. It's an essential feature when selling products with multiple options. Click on the Edit button in this section. You'll need to choose the type of variation you want to offer, such as color or size. After selecting your desired variation category, click Continue. If photos are applicable to your product variations, you can opt to use eBay's default photos by clicking Use Default Photos. It's always a good idea to have specific images for each variation if possible. Adjust the categorization to match your preference, such as changing it to size when applicable. Finally, enter the amount for each of your variations. Once you're satisfied with all the details and variations, click Save and Close to finish setting up your listing. Now you have a well-organized and appealing variation listing ready to engage buyers effectively. Happy selling!